Hello everyone, today was the So You Want to Be a Writer panel, and we thank all the special guests who came out to answer students' questions and give them advice they could use for the future. In case you missed it, here are some of the highlights. Claudio Cabrera, digital strategist at New York Times, stated, "Try to find as many opportunities as you can outside the building. Be open to talking to other people who do different work than you. Consider minoring in marketing or something similar, given how rapidly technology is affecting the field of journalism. Grow your portfolio as much as possible and learn as many skills as you can. It'll make you more attractive to employers. If you're applying for a job, make sure to be as well-rounded as possible and know how to interact with people as a whole." Mathew Roth, author and UX writer at Google, stated, "UX writing is telling a story really short and quick without people even realizing they read something. Give your art as much credit as your rational self. I knew how to tell stories, but grad school gave me terms and formations." Rajendra Maharaj, playwright and director, stated, "Host readings of your own work. Take advantage of being in New York City. I feel a great sense of responsibility when it comes to casting. It's why I direct a lot of my work. You give actors a roadmap. Talent will come secondary to spirit. Embrace the assistance of agents and other important people. It's not show art, it's show business." Jodi Ann Williams, freelance producer at CNN, stated, "You never know who's watching you. Be serious in class. Use your life experiences to make yourself competitive. Up your skills, take those things seriously. Those things will be your calling card later on. Make those connections with professors, with internships." Deborah Goodwin, screenwriter and director, stated, "People are hiring you for how you get along with people. There are plenty of talented writers, but 99% of the time, they will hire the person whom they feel they could get along with. Identify your voice as a writer. What do you excel at writing? That's what people will be interested in. Use your time wisely. It's one of the most important resources you have. Use the blacklist to get your scripts out there." Calla Phillips, novelist and associate professor at Brooklyn College, stated, "Writing has to be its own reward. Develop a practice. You have control over your work and how you do it. Talent is passion, plus effort. You need a day job. Pay the bills so that you could have the time to pursue your creative endeavors. Writing is always there for you, even if no one is there to pay you $1 million to do it. You're going to face rejection. That is a part of the writer's path. Failure is a way of learning." Mathew Zuzana, author and editor at HarperCollins, stated, "Reach out to a literary agent, and don't spell their name wrong, or the agency's name wrong. Check your work. Make sure the agent does the kind of work that you do. Do your research. Being in New York City is a huge gift. Go out to readings. Go explore. Expand your community. Internships and experience surpass your education and the number of degrees you have." Thanks for tuning into our Career Panel Rewind. Stay updated with our social media accounts for more information about our future events. See you next time.